A wild week in the stock market just became even wilder as Alan Nuckman and Scott Shellady join us from the Flores CME Group for Traders Unplugged. Good morning, guys. And let's start with topic number one, barely sell. Darling tech stocks, Facebook and Tesla fell into bear market territory this week. What's your play on these momentum stocks?
Well, they're coming back down to their support points, their breakouts from last fall. That could be leaned on from risk reward, but you've got to be careful with any of these momentum stocks. They can go a lot higher than what you think and go a lot lower than what you think for sure.
And I think a lot of the work's been done now. I mean, what was going to take a momentum stock even higher from here is more momentum. And I think that, overall, globally and as far as the U.S. economy goes, we're kind of running out of steam here. So we're at the top of that mountain. We're running out of oxygen. If they fall back a little bit, take another look.
Tesla is still up 400% over the last year. I thought it was high at
$60.
What do you want to tell them? But from a risk reward, it's hard to be a buyer when it's up that much.
Topic number two, Kickstart Me. Alcoa has been on a tear since it left the Dow index. What does its earnings performance tell you about the start of earnings season?
I think the earnings season has been
just started.
It's been the forward guidance from the last time has been set so low we could get over it with a skateboard.
Right.
So I'm not going to be that excited about everybody beating their earnings. We need to
that visual just threw me off. I'm sorry.
We need to get through we need more growth, not just these better earnings. So it might give a little bit of a bolster to the market. You know what a great earnings market would do is stop the market from going down too much.
I like Alcoa. It's come up a long ways from the lows July 4th. But if you look at it technically, we still have a lot more upside. You could see the stock double to get to 26, and that's the halfway point of the previous high to those record lows.
What does it say about the economy? What does it say about the market?
I'm looking at the stock Alcoa, and I like it still.
What does it say about the market?
The market is still very bullish until proven otherwise, and right now it's starting to feel a little otherwise, but not that much.
Oh, I love it. What a broker.
Topic number three, China Smog fresh air in a jar is selling for $800 in China. Is it healthy enough to invest in China again using the Chinese ETF FXI?
Well, what I'm mad about is you didn't think about selling air in a jar for $800. Number two, that we've seen China bounce back more than 10% in just the last 3 weeks. So the death of China has been greatly exaggerated. Just like we get in these malaises when the market sells off, every market sell-off has bounced back, and it will until it doesn't. But I still like China. I think it's been trading between 32 and 42. That target's 52, another 40% higher. I still think there's a lot of legs left in that market.
I think it's that Chinese ETF is going to have to trade above 37 and stay there for a few days because I think it's been in a downtrend, but it had recovered as of late. I don't like it. The news we got out a couple days ago was bad. I'm not a big buyer of China at all whatsoever. So if it stays below 37, I'm a seller.
Here's your bonus round question. CBS confirms Stephen Colbert will replace David Letterman as the host of The Late Show. Let's see who can come closest to the 52-week high of CBS stock.
I have no answer. Zero.
Scott?
$1.
See, that's what I wanted you to go first, because that's the only trick I knew.
All right, you guys, the answer is $62.36. Great to have you on the show, guys. First Business News continues after this.